So our first junior that we have with us today, this is Kathleen Oswald from New Jersey. She's 16 years old. She's here with her two, Shetland sheepdogs, Jenna and Whimsy. And yesterday in the junior agility competition, Jenna in the 12-inch division came in second overall, first in jumpers and third in the standard class. And with Whimsy in the 16th division, she came in fourth overall and also fourth in the time to beat class. And I'll just tell you a little bit about Kathleen. She grew up around obedience and agility trials and started running agility with her mom's lasso at 4 years old. She's gone to local competitions all over the country and has competed in international tournaments. This is her second time at the AKC Junior Agility competition. One thing about Kathleen, she's the youngest junior handler to compete at the AKC World Team Tryouts, and the following year she, at her only third national competition, her and Jenna made the challengers round as well. In 2012, they also placed third at the AKC World Team Tryouts in the 14-inch division, and they also went on to make the USA European Open Agility team for 2012 as the first junior handler ever to compete at the European Open for the United States of America. So congratulations, Kathleen, for that. And also with us today is Dana George, and she is 11, and she is here with her adorable Australian Shepherd, Stella. She's from Oswego, Illinois, traveled all the way here for this competition, and yesterday she placed first overall in the 16-inch division by getting a first in the standard class and a third in the jumpers with weaves class. So let's hear it for Dana as well. Congratulations, Dana. And I'm just going to ask you guys a couple of quick questions about your agility career. So you've been doing this since you were 4 years old. And tell us a little bit about the competition yesterday.
I thought it was a lot larger than last year, which is good to see the junior competitions grow, and I hope to see it continue to grow over the next, hopefully, decades. And I thought the competition was run really well, and the courses were really challenging. It was really fun.
Great, and give us a little idea about the bond you have with your dogs. You train multiple dogs in agility. How is it with different dogs, and how is your relationship with each dog?
I think the competition, the dogs really have to spend a lot of time with you to form that type of bond, and agility really brings out a lot of companionship, because it's not just the dog's job or your job, it's you working together as a team. And you really have to build up that teamwork over the years before you can really be bonded.
That's great, thank you. And Dana, tell us a little bit about your experience here at the AKC Agility Junior Invitational.
I found it the courses were challenging, and it was still a lot of fun to compete last year and this year in the competition. And I love being with my dog and showing her and just being able to build a relationship with her, and even like to learn not to blame your dog for everything that you do, because most of the time it is your fault, whatever you do wrong.
And so tell us about one of your runs yesterday with Stella.
The standard course was a little challenging. One section, there were a lot of options to do however you would like to do it, and so we were trying. So it was hard to decide what to do, and then you're trying to decide out there when you're running what to do. But it was still a lot of fun, and to learn that I won that class, that was lots of fun. And it was a challenging course, but also a very fun course and fast course.
So the two of you actually competed together in the 16-inch division, and you came in first, and Whimsy came in fourth, so that's great. And if you could give some advice to kids who want to get into agility, what advice would you give them?
Whatever you do, don't blame your dog, and it will all get together. Sometimes you have bad days, sometimes you have great days, sometimes you have okay days, and it's still hard, but you can still do it no matter what. And just remember, it's always your fault, not your dog's fault. Because they do everything right, and they only do what you tell them to do.
That's great advice. And how about you, Kathleen? What would you give for juniors wanting to get into this sport?
I would say to go find a local trainer or club and get started that way, because then you'll have a really good foundation. It really helps you get started in the sport. And it's always good to have a nice group of people around you who are really supportive, I know in the dog show community, everyone's really supportive of each other and encouraging, which is good.
Great, thank you. So let's have one more round of applause for our juniors for the agility competition yesterday. Thank you, girls.